We go to news overseas now. The CNN is reporting that US Vice President J.D. Vance and General Caine warned President Donald Trump that expanding the war with Iran could have serious risks. The details in this report.
Yeah, the concern is, this is something that analysts CNN have spoken to as well, have said the defensive missile systems like the THAAD, the Patriot, a lot of them were used up defending against all those incoming Iranian missiles in the earlier part of the war a few months ago. So that's a concern. A significant number of Tomahawks, also an land attack weapon, also used up. So if you commit more weapon systems to another round of fighting, then you reduce your options for another war or another conflict in another theater around the world. That was, as from what we understand, was the concern raised. What it has allowed, this pause, whatever the reason, and diplomats I'm talking to are sort of referring to this as an unannounced ceasefire, if you will.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after this break. Please stay with us.